Hi, my name's Matt. I'm with Capell Flooring and Interiors. If you're new to our social media stream, we're doing a series called What's in the Box. So we get lots of flooring samples all the time, and we thought it might be fun to put myself under pressure to talk about them as we open them. So today we got 3 shipments of probably carpet samples from Shaw Industries. So let's see what we got. Be careful if you ever have a knife like this. So if you ever you buy carpet from us and you need to do your own tear out, we'll load you knives and things like this to tear out your own carpet because it's a lot easier. Oh, this is kind of fun and different. All right, so first up, this style is called Natural Calm from Shaw. It's part of their Pet Perfect line. And so you can see the picture here. This particular color is called Refined, and it's part of their Anso fiber line, and it's a PET. So this one here has a pattern in it. Shaw has softback, which is really nice. Softback will protect your baseboards and walls from getting scratched. Looks like it has a pattern about 18 inches by 36 inches. A nice neutral colors. This refined one's kind of a dark slatey blue of sorts. But yeah, that's a nice it's a nice piece of carpet. These pictures are helpful because you can kind of see how it'll look. So whenever you have a pattern repeat, so this is 18 by 38 inches, you just have to order extra carpet, so that way you can have enough carpet to do a seam. So, but yeah, that's a nice piece of carpet. So that's the first one. You got more than one in today, so it's funny, a lot of these boxes say don't use a knife. Funny story, when I was in high school, I would go out with our carpet installers, and the first week I went out with installers, I think I cut 4 of my fingers with one of these. I looked like a complete mummy after day 4. I laugh about it now, but at the time I was pretty embarrassed. And apparently, though, most people, when they start doing carpet installs, they cut themselves quite a bit until they're used to playing with knives. So anyway, I'm super careful now. That's what I'm getting at. All right, so here we have another Shaw piece. It's called True Solutions 3. We've had several kind of True Solutions or True this or that from Shaw. This particular carpet's really soft. And unlike the previous one, this has what's usually referred to as an action back. So these are a little bit rougher, so you have to be a little bit more careful. But it's very common to have to do a little bit of paint touch-up after installing carpet anyway. This is also what's called a solution dyed polyester, so this is very, very stain resistant. And let's see, looks like we have 12 colors, nice and neutral. So these are what they call barber poles flex, and so if you look really closely at them, oh, one volunteered to come off. See how it's like an old-fashioned barber pole? Hopefully you can see that through the video. But basically it just loops around with 2 different colors. But it kind of makes for a nice clean look. So it looks like a nice piece of carpet. We still haven't digitally figured out a way to touch these yet through the camera. So that's why it's always important to come into the flooring store to touch things and to feel them, because carpet and things like that, there's definitely a feel element to it that you just can't get from shopping online. So let's see what the third one is. All right, so also when you get them out of the box, they kind of need to be fluffed up a little bit. All right, so we got this one here. This one is a little bit thicker than this one here. It's not quite as soft, but it's got more material. And I have it upside down. Not that you could tell from the other way around. But this one's called Feeling Alright from Shaw. And let's see, this one has action back on it too. So it's a little bit rougher. Again, it's a PET polyester. So my guess, this one's not solution dyes, so my guess is this one's probably a little bit less expensive, more of a price-driven product, but it still feels really nice. And there's a few less colors. There's 9 colors on this one, but again, very neutral, very nice look. For the right home and application, this would be a great piece of carpet. So that's what we got. And this, did I say, I'm not sure. This one's called Feeling Alright. I'm not sure I said that already. And we got Feeling. So anyway, I think that's kind of fun. So yeah, these are 3 new entries to Shaw. The time of this recording, it's May 2023. This time of year, we tend to get a lot of new releases from different mills and things, so we should be having a lot more videos coming up. But yeah, this one's a little bit softer. These particular carpets where they're kind of looped like this, they tend to not be quite as soft. And then these type also don't show vacuum marks as much. So if you really don't like vacuum marks, you want to go with a looped carpet too. So anyway, here's the 3 new ones from today. And we would love to help you get new carpet. So feel free to call or text us or come see us at our store here in Meridian, Idaho, which is next to Boise. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.